How to hard reset Nokia X200. Step 1. At first, turn off your phone by pushing the power button for a moment. Step 2. Then hold down volume down and power key for a couple of seconds. Step 3. Let go of all held keys when the fast boot mode pops up.